Hi, this is a PLC project that's simulating an automated inspection machine. First of all, let's take a look at the keypad. This keypad can be locked and unlocked. Right now, we're going to lock the keypad by setting one of the tag in the ladder diagram. Now, as you can see, the keypad has been locked. Whichever key that I entered, try to key in, there will be no response at all. Right now, we're going to unlock the keypad. Okay, now I'm going to enter some value 2, 3, 5. Now assuming I have entered the wrong number, I can clear away the number by pressing the clear key. Okay, right now we're going to enter a very simple number 3. 3 means we're going to have 3 items to be inspected. So once it's confirmed, we press enter. When the enter key has been pressed, you can see the 3 has been transferred to this counter here. That means there will be 3 items to be inspected. And whatever display on the keypad has been cleared. Right now, we can start with our inspection process. Now, the start here, simulating the start sensor. Assuming we place the item at the start sensor, the sensor will start to move towards the left by the conveyor belt. Okay, let's do that. Start. This indicating the conveyor belt is moving to the left. Now, assuming this item has reached the end sensor, which is simulated by this particular button, the conveyor will stop and the inspection will start. This is the inspection time. It only takes 3 seconds to inspect the item. Right now, the item has been inspected and found that it is a good item. So as you can see, the good counter has been increased by 1. And the remaining item now dropped to 2. Now we do it again for the next second item by pressing start. Conveyor moving forward, assuming it reached the end by pressing this end button. And you can see that it starts the inspection. Right now, the item has been declared failed. So when it's failed, the item will be moved backward to the inductive sensor here. Now, assuming the item has been detected by the inductive sensor, which is simulated by this particular button, what will happen that you can see that the solenoid has been activated, meaning the item will be pushed to the slide and drop into the bad bin here. So there's a bad bin and there's a good bin. Good one will drop here, the bad one will be dropped here. Now you can see that the good bin now become one bad one good one, and now we have a balance of 1 to be inspected. So let's test the last one by pressing start. Okay, start moving. Once you reach the end, the inspection started, inspection end, and the result is fail. So the item supposed to be moved reverse and to be detected by the inductive sensor. Solenoid activated, push the item into the bad bin. Bad bin become 2, good item only 1, and the passing rate is such, only 33%. The equation is given by this very simple formula so-called. Okay. And number of count has dropped to 0 because all 3 items has been tested. And this 3 item is known as the first batch. So the batch counter has been increased by 1. So indicate the first batch has been completed. Now, right now, let's move on to second batch. For example, if someone accidentally enter a 0 as a second batch, that means they never enter any number, you just simply hit enter, see what will happen. You can see there's an error message. It's saying that you have to enter a number before you can hit enter, otherwise there will be an error. So click enter, click OK to erase the error. Now we enter another number, let's say 3 again. So this time round, we have another 3 item to be tested. Enter to transfer 3 to the counter here. Now we can start the inspection process. Start, reach the end, inspection started, and the result is fail. And the item will move backward until the inductive sensor, and you push into the bad bin. Bad bin will become 3 now. Next one, item move forward, reach the end, inspection started, and let's see the result. Now this time the result is good. So it will be moved forward and drop into the good bin. The good bin will be increased by 1, now become 2. As you can see, this is so-called real time. Whatever changes here, it will be reflected in the passing rate. Okay, let's do the last one. Start. And then come to the end. The inspection started. And the result is fail. Okay, once you reach the inductive sensor here, which is at the middle. Oh, there's one more guy here. Solenoid activated. Push the item into the bad bin. Now, as you can see that the second batch has been fully inspected, and that is the result. So in total, only 2 good guy and 4 bad guy. And the passing rate is just 33%. And so far, we have completed 2 batches. And assuming everything has been done and we want to reset the machine back to its initial stage, so this is the button that we're going to click, reset. Once you reset, all the counter will go back to 0. The whole machine will go back to its initial stage, waiting for someone to enter the quantity number. I say 3. Now you can enter. So that will be the next process. Maybe the next process in the following day. Yeah. And of course, you can just press reset. Everything will go back to the initial stage. So that is the end of the presentation. Thank you very much.